Good morning, dear children. This is your assistant teacher. Now take out your geography textbook and open lesson number 7, Our Country, India. Okay? So, dear children, as you know that yesterday we have completed our civics lesson Panchayati Raj. Okay? So, now today we are going to start our new lesson from geography subject, lesson number 7, Our Country, India. Okay, so first of all, let's see some introduction part of this lesson. So, India is a country of vast geographical expanse. Okay, as you know that India is having lots of that means vast part of geographical expanse. Okay, that means it has a very much large amount of land it contain. Okay, in the north it is bound by lofty Himalayas. Okay, so its north side are totally bound by the Himalayas, that is the biggest mountain. The Arabian Sea in the west. Okay, the west portion of India is covered with Arabian Sea. Okay, that means the north portion is covered with Himalaya, and the west side is covered with Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay, our India is consists of Bay of Bengal in its east side and the Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, that means we have a large you can see the vast geographical expanse. Okay, in our all over the countries. Okay, wash the shore of the Indian peninsula. Okay, then we have also the shores of the Indian peninsula also. Now, what is mean by peninsula? So, peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay, that means it is you can say a kind of island also. Okay, so this is known as the peninsula. It is a piece of land that's surrounded by water on only three sides. Okay, of this land. Then India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, that means we have a huge land area. Okay, having 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, and the north south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3200 kilometer. Okay, that means only a part of Kashmir and Kanyakumari consist of 3200 kilometer from extended from the north and south direction. Okay, and the east west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2900 kilometer, and the distance from Arunachal Pradesh and Kutch is consist about, that is extent from 2900 kilometer. And the lofty mountains, the great Indian deserts and the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface and the coast and the island present a diversity of landforms. Diversity means different types of landforms. That means plateaus, then you can say the mountains, deserts. Okay, that means they are showing the different kinds of landforms. That means earth surface. Okay, then there is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as the language and culture. Okay, as you know that in our India we have a large amount of population here. Okay, lots of people having different kinds of religion, having different kinds of culture, living together. Okay, and they have different kinds of languages and culture, and according to the you can say the region changes, the climatic conditions are also changed, and the vegetation, that means the crops, also varied. Okay, For example, in Punjab we have seen lots of you can say the makai di roti and sarso da saag, as you know that makai and sarso, the and in in Himalayan side you will see the lots of berries are there. And if you are going to the south side, you will see the lots of rice will be there. Okay, so according to the different region, according to their climatical change, the vegetation also changes. So as per vegetation and climate change, the wildlife also changes. Okay, the wildlife are according to their climatic conditions. So as per the climatic change, uh, consideration for climatic change or vegetation, okay, their wildlife also changes and vegetation also changes. That means according to the climatic changes, okay, the vegetation and wildlife also changes. For example, in desert area you will find the camels are there, okay, desert fox are there, and then kangaroo rats, the most important creature you found there. Okay, then in a snowy area, that they where the large amount of snowfall will be there, you will find the animals like snow bear and all. Okay, and yak also. So that means according to the climatic condition, the wildlife and vegetation also changes. Okay, so this is all about our country India. We have lots of population, human populations are there. We have different kinds of regions are there, like plateau, mountain, desert area. Okay, and according to the climatic conditions, our vegetations also changes and wildlife also changes. Okay, so in this diversity, okay, that means differentiation, we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. Okay, so though we have different languages, different cultures, okay, we have different kinds of people having different kinds of caste, and their culture, their language are different, but okay, only a one tradition is bounded us, that is our unity. Okay, we follow a certain kind of tradition, okay, which bind us as a one nation. Though we are different, but the traditions bind us as one nation. Okay, and India has a population more than 120 crore since year 2011. Okay, and it is the second most populous country of the world after China. As you know that China is the first, you can say the its population is very much high, very much huge, okay, as compared to us, but we are counted as a second most populous country in the world after China. So dear children, this is all about our country India. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. Okay, if you have any problem regarding to this lesson, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.